As you open the SmartPanics app on your phone, you'll immediately notice 5 buttons. These buttons are your go-to for various emergency scenarios, and the great thing is, they're fully customizable. We'll explore the endless possibilities for customization a little later in this course. For now, let's focus on the standard version of SmartPanics. My Alarms. This is your main screen featuring 3 emergency buttons: SOS, Fire, and Medical Assistance. They trigger immediate emergency alerts to the monitoring center, providing crucial details like the user's location. Users can also send multimedia files, including images, videos, and audio. They can send a written note or make a one-touch phone call to a predefined number without having to look through their agenda or remember emergency contacts. On My Way is a feature designed for safe commutes. Users can set an estimated time of arrival at their destination, and this countdown operates in the background, allowing users to use other apps on their device. When they reach their destination, they can easily cancel the passive alert. If they encounter delays, such as traffic, they can extend the countdown for an additional 5 minutes. If, for any reason, they don't confirm their arrival before the countdown reaches 0, an alert is automatically triggered, notifying the operators and designated contacts. The last button on the main screen is labeled Here I Am. This feature is used to share your current location within the SmartPanics group, but does not relay this information to the operators at the monitoring center. It's particularly valuable for children, teenagers, and seniors who might need to confirm their safe arrival at a specific location or signal their whereabouts to the SmartPanics group members for peace of mind and security. My Accounts. This tab provides quick access to all the alarm systems that belong to the user. Each account's status is clearly indicated with green for disarmed and red for armed. Depending on their permissions, users can access their contact information, user lists, event history, notification history, zones, and partitions of the alarm panel. They can even send remote commands to arm or disarm the alarm system and control lights, sirens, or doors. My Vehicles. This feature gives users access to all their GPS devices, whether attached to vehicles, people, or pets. It allows users to geolocate all devices, check the device's name, license plate, model, year, speed, and mileage, view their location history, and even activate a parking mode to receive notifications if the device moves, indicating a potential theft or towing. It is also possible to create geofences to be notified when a device enters or exits specific areas. My Group. Users can keep track of their close circle, whether it's family members or a sales team, for instance. Within groups, there are 2 types of users: administrators and regular members. Administrators can view other users' locations at all times, create geofences for alerts upon entering or leaving specific areas, set speed limits, and define tracking frequencies. My Alerts. It is a highly adaptable feature, allowing service providers to configure up to 12 buttons tailored to their services and priorities. These buttons can serve as additional events or as URL shortcuts. Additional events within this section encompass a wide range of situations. For example, municipalities can use it to facilitate the reporting of public road issues, such as accident, litter, broken streetlight, or drug trafficking, while companies can streamline employee requests for supplies, sick leaves, or lunch breaks. In educational settings, students could report maintenance issues, safety hazards, lost and found items, or engage directly with school counselors. Residents in gated communities could even generate invitations for guests and providers, enhancing visitor management processes. These buttons can also act as URL shortcuts, enabling users to seamlessly navigate to official websites, electronic payment platforms, or instructional videos. The true potential of this feature lies in the hands of each customer segment, allowing you to harness its capabilities to your advantage. My Cameras. Here, users can access their cameras in real time and customize their own grids. In the hamburger menu, you'll find Notification Center. It provides access to push notifications, the ability to chat with operators, view surveys, and access the history of Here I Am events. Technical Service. Users can request a new technical service for alarm systems, CCTV, GPS devices, or the SmartPanics mobile app. They can specify the type of service required and include additional observations. This creates a new service request in the pending state within the Technical Service module. From there, the technical team can review the request, assign a date and time, select a technician, allocate a vehicle, ensure the availability of required stock materials, and more. My Surroundings. This feature displays nearby events on a map anonymously, helping users avoid insecure areas or assist others in need. The Settings section allows users to modify language preferences, perform a heartbeat or test control, view connection parameters, customize emergency buttons, set a PIN code, pair a Bluetooth button, suggest a new customer, review the service agreement, and confirm the app's version. Now that we've covered the SmartPanics app's interface, let's proceed to understand the device setup.